This is the official SAT question of the day from the College Board website from December 15th, 2015, and I'm going to show you how to answer it. A gasoline tank on a certain tractor holds 16 gallons of gasoline. If the tractor requires 7 gallons to plow 3 acres, how many acres can the tractor plow with a tank full of gasoline? So as always with math problems, we check out the answers first. They're all in mixed numbers. So we've got some whole number with some fraction beside it. So that lets us know that somewhere along the way we're going to end up creating a fraction. And that's okay. That just lets you know that if that happens, you're on the right track. So we know that the tractor holds 16 gallons of gas. And we want to know how many acres it can plow with those 16 gallons. Well, if it took 7 gallons to plow 3 acres, we want to know how many acres we can get per gallon. So we want to figure out how many acres per gallon. So we're going to take 3 acres and divide by 7 gallons that it took. So we get 3/7 of an acre per gallon. Now, if we take and multiply that by 16 gallons, and this is a little trick I like to use. You see here you've got gallons on the top, because technically a whole number is just a fraction with 1 on the bottom, right? So your 16 and your gallons is on top. Over here your gallons is on the bottom. So those actually cancel out. So the units that you end up with is acres, which is what you're looking for. How many acres? That's just a little trick I like to use to make sure that if you don't know whether or not to multiply or divide or what, if you can figure out how to get the right units in your final answer, then you can you'll know that you're on the right track. So if we multiply 3/7 times 16, 16 times 3 is 48. So we've got 48/7 acres. Now that doesn't look like any of the answers. So we've got to figure out what 48/7 looks like. And 7 is actually a prime number. So it's not going to reduce. And the only answer with a 7 on the bottom is this one. So you can actually, if you're confident that you got this part right, you're done. But just to show you this, you can divide 49 by 7 evenly, which would be 7. But you don't have 49, you only have 48. So you know that you can divide 6 into it, because you don't have the full 7 times 7, which would be 49. So you go the next number down. So 6 is going to be your whole number. Again, that's the only one with 6 in it. But we know that 6 times 7 is 42. And 48 minus 42 is 6. So if we take out 6 whole numbers, we're left with 6/7. If you have any questions about this one, I'd be more than happy to answer them. Just leave those questions in the comments or email me directly at andrew@avmathcoach.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.